Hello, hi. Here you can see new Cygnus XL cargo ship captured by space station's robotic arm after thruster issue. Northrop Grumman's Cygnus XL cargo spacecraft was captured by the International Space Station's robotic arm on September 18, 2025. The cargo ship suffered a thruster issue the day prior that delayed their docking. Okay, you can have a look at the video now. Have a nice day. Thank you.
This view from the end effector camera on the Canadarm2 robotic arm, looking right at the grapple fixture on the Cygnus XL, flanked on either side of its fuselage by the UltraFlex solar arrays. Cygnus and the station currently crossing the southwest coast of Africa, moving from southwest to northeast. Johnny Kim at the controls operating the Canadarm2 robotic arm. And the report is that Cygnus is rock solid, holding steady, awaiting its capture. We're just a moment or two away from seeing the station's thrusters inhibited to prevent any inadvertent firings during the time frame that the Canadarm2 is moving in for its grapple. Just a couple of additional steps here to make sure that all of the station systems are configured properly before Kim begins to move the Canadarm2 in for its grapple. This is the view from the end effector camera on Canadarm2, looking directly at that grapple fixture. The space station now has been commanded into free drift. All thrusters are disabled.
Station, for your awareness, we are beginning our approach.
We copy.
Canadarm2 now in motion. It's go time for Johnny Kim. Cygnus holding very, very steady. Good motion from the arm reported by the robotics officer here in Mission Control. Just a couple of meters away from grapple. Two meters. Just 1 meter now. And defector approaching the pin. We have soft capture now awaiting snares. And the snares have closed. Signal arrival, Cygnus now at the International Space Station. Grapple time at 6:24 a.m. Central Time, 7:24 a.m. Eastern Time. The International Space Station was flying over the southeastern Congo, the Democratic Republic of the Congo, at the time of capture. Once again, capture timed at 6:24 a.m. Central, 7:24 a.m. Eastern Time. Cygnus's journey to the station now complete, and soon will be attached mechanically to the Unity module of the International Outpost. So all of the rendezvous maneuvers that were based and executed from a revised burn plan that began to unfold late last night were conducted flawlessly by Cygnus. All of its systems performed perfectly, arriving at the station for a grapple at 6:24 a.m. Central Time, 7:24 a.m. Eastern Time.